So if you clicked on this video, you know that I'm gonna be buying and opening different gachapons. I got these from Little Japan USA, which is a toy store next to Mitsuwa, which is a Japanese supermarket in Edgewater, New Jersey. I haven't been to that supermarket in a couple years, and it's nice to see all the different changes that they have. Now there's an arcade section with mini arcade cranes. Obviously the toy store I was talking about, the bookstore is still there, and now there's also a Daiso. The toy store that I went to, Little Japan USA, had so much different anime merch and traditional Japanese stuff, but I mainly focused on the Gachapon, which, if you don't know, is a vending machine with capsule toys, but to the extreme. Like, there's different anime themed ones and also little like cute designed ones. I got a bit of both, so let's just see what happens. Let's do this one first.
Did you win?
No, I didn't do it yet. Is this it?
I think so. Drop it.
So the first thing I got was this little cat getting its hair cut. Cute. Here are the different ones you can collect. Next, we have the two anime ones. I got one from Evangelion and one that's Sword Art Online. And they're from like later generations or seasons of this franchise, so I'm not super familiar with either of them. So I'm probably gonna get a character that I don't even know what it is. Okay, so looks like I got this character as a pin. And these are one of the ones that have different tiers of prizes. So A tier is the figurines, B tier is the keychains, and I got C tier, which is one of these pins. Irastorias. Yeah, I don't really know. I didn't watch this. These pins look like the kinds of pins that they have on Ita bags. So I guess this is where and how people collect them, and why it's such a flex to have a million of the same pin from your favorite character, because the chance of getting it is pretty low. This one's the Sword Art Online one. And I got another C tier. I got Kirito, but it's a avatar. So some other version of Kirito. this is the last one from the machines. Before we open the next one, I just want to put a reminder out there to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for getting me to 200 subscribers last video. I'm trying to upload more and be more consistent and also make content that people actually want to see. My goal for 2022 is to make 20 videos, which is, I think, a reasonable goal. That's less than 2 videos a month, so let's see if that happens. Oh, this is heavy. This is nice. It's actually like a rock, and it's so cute. Little turtle. And here are the other options. The last one I got is this Animal Crossing one. All of these were $6 each. Got peanut. Cute. The packaging made it seem like you could only get like Tom Nook and stuff, but I guess these are the options. They also had these block builder kits that were also gacha. I didn't get one, but I bought this Sonic Amy building puzzle, so maybe I'll build this in another video. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in this content, and let me know if you know any other arcade places that I should check out in New York. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.